my beautiful subscribers, and welcome back to my channel. Before you click off this video, please go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. It would mean a lot to me. Please share this video, subscribe, do all the good stuff. Yes, I'm wearing the same makeup as Tuesday's video, but I am filming on the same day, so I had to change my outfit. But yeah, I'm filming on the same day, so that's why you're seeing this makeup twice. And I know my eyeliner looks a little rough and my lashes look a little rough, but it's okay. And I'm gonna get through it. As I explained in the other video, I had my liquid eyeliner ran out. My M.A.C gel eyeliner is like dry, and I didn't have my favorite brush that I usually use for my like eyeliner from using gel, and it was a thicker brush, and it was just a rough situation. But I mean, it still looks good. So anyway, I got another haul for you. I'm sorry, and I'm not trying to brag, but I figured this you would really want to see because yes, insert drum roll before this, but I don't know how to do that, so I can't. But yes, I got the Starr collection, spring collection, so I'm going to show that to you today. And that's why I changed my outfit, because I was like, flowers, like yes, like let's bring on like the flowery feel, because it's like a flower feel for Patrick's collection. It's based on like flowers and stuff. So I wanted to do that for you guys. So I'm gonna also do swatches. I don't think I'm doing a like actual video, just because I don't think I'm gonna add on a tutorial to this, just because I have makeup on already today and I don't really have time, and two, I think me doing the swatches and stuff will be just enough time and a long enough video. So I will do a tutorial with both of these, but I wanted to get this up so you guys could shop the collection just in case you want it and you haven't seen it yet and stuff. So this first collection is Me So Chic, and the packaging is like goals. Like, look how pretty this packaging is. Like, you just told me right there, even on the packaging. I don't even care what's in the box. Like, if I already knew what was in the box beforehand, but I mean, like, if I never saw the box before or anything, then, never saw what was in the box or anything, then I would just buy it for the packaging. But I'm sorry if you hear that's my dad's truck coming in, gone off work. So it comes in like nicely wrapped in tissue. And so I'm gonna wrap it. Woo! Okay. So first I see is a lipstick and a lip gloss. The lipstick looks like this. So let's see. It's just this nice nude, which can't complain. Love my nudes, so this will be perfect for me because I love nudes, and yes. So that's the lipstick, and then the lipstick is in Sweet Mama Starr, so he named it after his mom, which is pretty cool. That's what I'd probably do if I had my own makeup collection, called it, like, name my makeup product after my mom. Probably name it Mama K, because my mom's first name starts with a K, and she's my mom. So I'd probably call it Mama K. And then, yeah. And then the lip gloss is also called Mama Starr, so I guess, like, it's like he did it, like, the same way. Okay. And, ooh, I like this. It's like a clear, glittery gloss. I don't know if you could see that because I'm so pale and it kind of blends in with my skin, so sorry, but it's just this pretty like champagne-ish, goldish, like nudish, I don't know, color that I am obsessed with. I can already tell I'm gonna be obsessed with this collection. Now I know what you're thinking, Haley, you don't wear color eyeshadow like ever, colors, but this collection kind of inspired me to do so, and yeah. So, the next thing that I see in my box of mine is, let's see, unwrapping this, and the next thing is I'm Not Blushing, which is like a blush duo, which looks like this. Kind of looks like a blush and bronzer to me. I mean, this brown color I could probably use for a bronzer because I'm so pale. Maybe not. I don't know. But here's the blush and here's the bronzer. Here's the blush. So this is this, and then this is this. So that's really cool too. I love how the duos. And just so you know, this cost for one kit it costs $50, which is honestly a steal because look at how much you're getting. So the next thing that is in here is the next thing that I see in here is this eyeshadow quad, which also looks like this, again with like beautiful packaging. Patrick did so good with like using his creativity. Like he had full control over this collection. Like yeah, he had like full control over this collection. MAC didn't design it at all. Like he had full control. So it comes with like plastic stuff, but here's what the quad looks like. And I know what you're thinking, Haley, you never wear these bright colors, but it's honestly like has inspired me to, you know, go out of my comfort zone and not care what people think and wear bright eyeshadow. Like I don't like it's inspired me, and like I figured it'd be really good for tutorials. And again, you can't beat the price. You're getting 4 eyeshadows, 2 lipsticks, and lip gloss, and a lipstick and a lip gloss, and then a blush duo for $50 when like when a quad alone I think is like $50 or like $30 or something like that. And then so Pigmentation is A1. Yes, I suck at swatches, but like here they are. Yeah, so hold on, let me do this. Yeah, so these are like super pigmented, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, so this is the lightest shade, so it goes lightest to darkest. So very pretty and very pigmented, and I'm very excited to film a tutorial for you guys. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get a lot of tutorials out of this. Then also what comes in here is a little face chart which shows you like what look you could do with this. You don't have to do this exact look, but it's just giving you like an idea of what you could do with this palette and what's all in here. And it says, spring into fierceness and blossom into your own beauty. Live your floral fantasy, XOXO Patrick Starr. And then it has his @Patrick Starr handle, and then #MAC Patrick Starr. To get Patrick's spring look, check out the how-to video at youtube.com/user/thepatrickstarr. So that's really cool. I will probably try to copy these face charts. But yeah, I just Patrick has inspired me so much. Like, this is where I want to end up being. Like, I want to be known on YouTube and having my collection with MAC. Like, he is living my dream right now. Like, and I'm just so proud of him and how far he's come. And I just inspire to be like him one day. And hopefully one day I can look back at this video and there will already be a Haley Marie MAC collection. So that would be really cool to have my own collection with MAC. That will forever be a dream of mine, and I pray one day that happens, but I don't know if it will. But I pray I just take off on my YouTube channel, and my YouTube channel eventually grows. Not that views and subscribers are all that I focus on or whatever. I don't do it for that. I do it because I love this. This is my hobby. But I would just love to live what Patrick is doing right now. Like, that he's living my dream right now. Like, I've dreamed of having a MAC collection and stuff. So yeah, so I'm really excited. And this is probably the more me, because on Patrick's video he's like, this is for the girls that you want to take home to your mom, you know, that are classy. And like, I'm like, hey, that's me, because I'm not like, you know, I don't do things. But I was like, so this is the me so chic is more me, because like I want a man, I don't want somebody to play with. He's like, this is for the girls who want somebody to stay with them, and like he doesn't want, and then the other one is for the people that want to play with somebody. So I think that was really funny how he put it. But then I also got the M.A.C Fleek. So again, same packaging, beautiful. Again, nicely wrapped in tissue paper, which I love. Like, he did like a really good with like keeping everything in order and like making this so professional. Again, this retails for $50. I mean, it's $49.50, but I mean it will round up to $50. So, yeah. So I'm gonna unwrap this. And the first thing I see is, again, a lipstick and a lip gloss, which the lipstick in here is really pretty. Like, this would be really pretty for fall. Not necessarily a summer color, but, yeah, that will be really pretty for fall. So it's like a purplish, pinkish, like magenta-ish color. I'm not good at describing colors, but, again, such pretty packaging, too. Then also, oh, the lipstick is in Hey Boy Hey, and then the lip gloss is in Queen P, which is Queen Patrick, obviously, because he is a queen. And then it's just this like bright, sparkly pink. Like, they're showing off as the same color, but I promise you it's not. Like, this right here, the lipstick is more of a purple, and then this is more of like a neon, like hot Barbie pink, like the color of my nails almost. But this is definitely like a purple, but like when you put them together they look like they're the same, but they're not. The lipstick is definitely more purple, and then like the lip gloss is like more hot pink, neon pink, Barbie pink, if you want to call it. Then next is the eyeshadow quad, which, can we talk about this one? Like, this one is like so gorgeous. Why is this not opening? Okay. So here is the quad, and it's called Play With Me. I like this one though, because it had like a couple, like 2 neutral tones, and then it has like the dramatic tones at the bottom. But I really like this a lot. So, hold on. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna swatch these. So here's that. Again, it's going to go lightest to darkest. And, like, look at this. Like, these two right here are really calling my name. Again, I don't ever wear colors like this. Like, you guys know I'm a neutrals girl. But this is going to probably inspire me to, like, incorporate brighter colors in my makeup looks. But these, like, right there sold me. I was like, oh, my gosh. This just sold me on this like, side of the collection. Because, like, I never seen a pink that bright, and I never seen like a blue that bright. And then like this blue, like holy crap, like oh my gosh. So this is like the darkest to the lightest. Like, again, so pigmented, 10 out of 10 on pigmentation. So far I give all of this like a 10 out of 10, like as of pigmentation wise, and applying easy and all that. So, definitely a 10 out of 10. And then, last but not least, is another, like, beauty powder or blush duo, whatever you want to call it. And this is in Take Me Home. I didn't know if I said the quad. The quad is in Play With Me if I didn't say that. But this is Take Me Home. And it's a blush duo, and again, you get the lighter blush, and then you get like a darker blush. Again, really pretty. So here is the lighter, and here's the darker. This is showing up like a purple undertone again, but it's not. It's like more peachy pinkish, and then this is like a more purple tone. So yeah, so sorry that, oh, and then again, comes with another face chart in case you want to copy the look, which is, this is like super pretty too, and I want to try it out, even though I will never probably go out in public with this look on. I mean, it's a gorgeous look, but people wouldn't accept me. Like, that's a problem with my area. Like, you do one thing that's like outside of the box or outside the norm, or you wear something that's outside the box or outside the norm, you just get stared at and made fun of, and you can't be your original self around here where I live. Like, they judge you if you are outside the box. so it's sad, but yeah. So I can't really express myself that much in makeup around my area, but it is what it is. But I definitely will try this at a time when I'm just staying home and I'm bored. But yeah, this is like so gorgeous. And again, both of these are retail for $50. Sorry if this was on the shorter end, but I know you guys you guys probably hate that my videos are so long, but it's just doing YouTube is just like so fun for me, and it's just very therapeutic for me, so like that's why I talk so much. But yeah, so that was the collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Get your hands on it while you can, because I don't see this collection lasting long in stores or counters, because it's gorgeous and it's a steal. Like, this is like the cheapest collection M.A.C has had, and yeah, it's just like the cheapest, and it's just like the most unique, and they haven't had like a really good hyped up, if you want to say, launch line in a long time, like not counting their like holiday stuff, but they it's been a while since they did something like really fun with the packaging and really fun collection like this. So I'm really excited, and I can't wait to see what else Patrick comes up. Patrick, congratulations. I know you don't know who I am, and you probably never will, and you probably never watch this, but I literally love you, Patrick, and you've really inspired me, and I hope one day I could be as successful as you. I hope I could be as talented in makeup as you, and I hope I could make my dreams come true and have my own M.A.C collection like you. But anyways, guys, this is probably already long enough, and I'm trying hard to make my video shorter and not blabber on. But I love you guys so much, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. Click my head at the end of this video, or just click the subscribe button and then click that bell down below so you can get notified every time I post a video here on YouTube. And please go follow my beauty Instagram at _Hailey'sBeauty_. I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye!